Molweni bafundi, we continue looking at the verb and how to use it. And first of all, let us just revise what we've done so far. We've looked at, let's say for example, a verb called punga. Do we know what it means? It means to have a hot drink. We are using it with reference to them, ba. Bayapunga, they are having a hot drink. Bapunga iti, we specify what that hot drink is, namely tea. Abapungi, they are not having a hot drink. How do we know it's not? From the aba and the I. Bayakwazi uku, they can or they are able to have a hot drink. Xa bepunga, when they have a hot drink. And take note of the fact, you will remember that the ba becomes be after the use of xa. And in purple you see the 4 commands. Punga, have a hot drink, one of you. Pungani, have a hot drink, all of you. Suku punga, don't have this hot drink, just you. And sanuku punga, don't all of you punga have a hot drink. So in this video now, we are going to add to what we did before and look at what will be done and what will not be done. And I want you to focus on, first of all, the basic verb in black, and whatever is not in black will tell you who and when. So for example, the U tells you who is involved, and the ya tells you that it is happening now, together with the a at the end. So uyabaleka, he is running. Akabaleki, he is not running. The aka is what is the negative form of the u, which you see here. Si, a, si. Siabala, asibali. Uyabaleka, akabaleki. Right, have a look at the future then. U, the same u, and we look now for a signal or a clue as to what makes this verb different in a different tense. Here we see bzaku instead of the ya which we used there. Uyabaleka, akabaleki. Uzakubaleka. Siyabhala, asibhali. Sizakubhala. Bayabila, bila meaning to perspire. Remember, we must always know the meaning of the word. Bayabila, ababili, bazakubila. Ndiyabona, ndibona iskrini. Andiboni, ndizakubona. Okay, so here you will notice 1, 2, 3, 4 instances where we have this blue ya. That is used when the sentence ends on the verb, when there's nothing beyond in the present tense. And here you can see we've added the word isikrini and there is no ya. Right? Uyabaleka, akabaleki, uzakubaleka. Siyabhala, asibhali, sizakubhala. Bayabila, ababili, bazakubila. Ndiyabona, ndibona, andiboni, ndizakubona. Okay, moving on to the negative. Aka, asi, aba, andi. Aka, asi, aba, andi. So, uza becomes aka, zi. Si, za, asi, zi. Ba, za, aba, zi. Still using the negative e. Ndiza, andi, zi. So, aka, zi, kubaleka. Asi, zi, kubhala. Aba, zi, kubila. Andi, zi, kubona. Some more examples. Buza meaning to ask. Uyabuza, he is asking. Akabuzi, he is not. Uza kubuza, he will ask. Akazi kubuza, he will not ask. Dlala, meaning to play. Bayadlala, they are playing. Badlala ibhola, they are playing soccer. Abadlali, baza kudlala. Baza, abazi, baza kudlala. Abazi kudlala. And then 3 more examples using fika, funda, and fundela. Fika, to arrive. Funda, learn or study. Fundela, study for. Ndiyafika, andifiki would be in that block. Ndiza kufika, andizi kufika. Uyafunda, full stop. Ufunda isiXhosa. Akafundi, uza kufunda. Akazi kufunda. Sifundela i-degree, let's say. Asifundeli. Siza kufundela. Asizi kufundela. So the za ku has become zi ku. I can just point out that this is how the negative in particular is written, and in the spoken language sometimes, as happens in most languages in fact, a change occurs to make it easier to pronounce. And you will often hear a Xhosa speaking person say, instead of saying akazi ku baleka, we're saying akazo baleka. Akazo baleka. Asizi kubaleka, asizo baleka, or bala rather. Abazi kubila, abazo bila. Just how it is articulated, or how the people actually speak. Dizakubona, andiboni, dizakubona, andizobona. One more. Uyabuza, akabuzi, uza kubuza, akazobuza. I'll just point that out so that you can also hear, or rather see, the difference between the written and the spoken isiXhosa. Okay, there will be exercises for you to do online, and you will be able to practice this. Enkosi kakhulu bafundi, so bonana.